Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add projects in your LinkedIn account. But first, make sure you like and subscribe to this video for more videos and content. So first, what you want to do is go to your profile, view profile, then add section, then recommended, add projects. From here, you can input your project name, your description, and the skills that you have, any media, some details like your start and end date, and contributors if you have contacts that you work the project with. So after that, you can save. So for example, I'm gonna fill in the details real quick. So I just finished filling out the details. Now let's see the project. You can scroll down here, and then project should be over here. So thanks for watching. See you next time.